here at the top of the screen, you will hit the companies bar. So the basic purpose of HubSpot is to keep track of your contacts at high profile or your targeted companies, so you can send them you can engage with them to get their businesses for marketing and sales processes to win deals. We have covered the contact section, but HubSpot also creates a separate directory of all the companies. These would be the organizations that you want to target for your marketing and sales activities. So you can, in the future reference, you can create a company and assign multiple contacts to those. So for your account management techniques within marketing. The process and the UI seems quite similar to what we've covered for the contact section. So I will not be going into a very detailed session around this. For that, it's just the simple and same process that we followed for the contact section here. Within the company domain, obviously you will enter the website that you have, any company name. Let's say we are entering let's say we enter Twitter. Company owner is the person who would be creating this company contact. Then the industry type and all these specific informations. These will help you create a track of all of these, and you will create we will enter the create button to finish the creation process. In fact, let's just create one. Let's say the industry is in or whatever industry that you want to pick. Now the type is that this company is in your target list for your prospect operations that you want to pitch your services to them, or their partners, resellers, vendors, or any other category. So let's say we're just currently doing it for others, because this does not qualify for any of this vendors that we're currently doing. Some of the other information if you want to enter, or if you don't want to enter. Okay, so we will proceed with create, and you will see the same window that we had for the contacts earlier. There is one thing that I just wanted to add. That's why we've created a company, and that is that within the contacts, like we have earlier created some contacts and had not associated companies with them. So if you want to associate with them, you will hit on the add button against the contacts, and you will see the a new contact option, or you want to add the ones from the existing ones. So you can see we already had created Tom Hanks, and we are giving Tom Hanks we are allotting him Twitter. Okay, so you can now see that that contact has been imported within this company, and it contains the information. So if you want to add other contacts associated with this company, they can be added as well by clicking on the add button. Now there is one important thing, that the contact section would also separately list all the contacts, and within the companies, if you have any associated contacts, you can also see that. So here, this is a separate contact, and when you go within the company section, you will also see a new company and an associated contact. Here, if you want to click on the details, you will see this. So this really helps you club all the relevant folks within the same company, so that you can have a look at their activities, any emails they will be opening, or any engagement that you have within these prospects or contacts would be available here in the activity section. Currently it is empty because we've not created any activity for them. So this is something about the companies and contacts. Again, you can see the relevant contact section. So this really helps you get a centralized view of an entire account if you want to have a deeper look at how things are being managed here. Similarly, if you want to add notes on any of this company, so you can do that, and any of the other options that you want to add or include. Other than that, so we do have some of these properties, but let's not go into the details for this. Let's just keep it simple for now. We will navigate back to the company section. And similarly, if you have more than one company that you want to import within the system right away, so you can use that by clicking on the import section. And again, you have the view options, so you want to create your own sections for the visibility of filters that you want to see. You can also do that. And that is pretty much it about the companies.